Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. Going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the new Skullcandy SLYR Pro wireless headset. Compatible with Xbox controllers, Switch, ideal for PlayStation, compatible with PC and Mac, and compatible with mobile. So I might take a look at this on mobile. But this is next kind of up from the Street Fighter, which we've done in January, which I still use today and love, and they're fantastic. Check the review out, link down below. On the back, full on board controls, crystal clear communication, comfort and durability, ultimate wireless connectivity, 2.4G wireless connectivity with PlayStation and PC, and you get a wireless transmitter. So let's get this packaging open. And see what we've got. And we go once and twice. Okie dokie. Here we go. What else is on the side there? Yes, you've got multi-platform connectivity, enhanced sound perception, ESP technology. And on this side, just got Skullcandy, but that's it on the box. What to expect. So let's take it out of the gander. Okay, so here you've got your boom, which is flexible, as you can see. So just pop that back in there for now. You have got your USB for PC here, and whatever, laptop or no, laptop, you could suppose use a laptop, and your Mac and so on. We have got headphone cables. So you've got your USB, USB-C, USB-A, Skullcandy branded, and of course you've got your 3.5 to 3.5 Skullcandy branded in blue. And let's get these boys out. Before that, we will actually have a look in here. So we get some stickers, which is cool. Put them on my new laptop. And you get your warranty and user guide. So that's pretty much it in there. Put them aside, because I always use my stickers. Right, so here's the headphones. Nice white matte finish, texture on the sides, Skullcandy branding. Ratchets there, and they're not clicky like others do be. You can see that the cable goes up inside there, and you've got a clear part, which is nice. Same on that side. And you've got nice deep cups as well, left and right. Kind of cushion, and same up with the headband. And on this side here, you have got your game chat mix and side tone, and enhanced sound perception. That's a power button there, and your wheel, and the wheel actually presses as well as before. Down on the bottom you've got your USB-C, you've got your 3.5 and all that kind of stuff there. So that's what it looks like up there up close, if you've not seen them yet. Nice and tactile buttons all around, and underneath here, no, it's not there. So there's nothing on that there, but you can actually hear this. So it's saying ambient mode, RGB mode, ready to pair. So they're working out of the box. There's a bit of charge in them. Let's quickly pop them on the head. Nice and comfortable covered ears, and give you passive noise isolation, which is pretty cool. Of course you've got an LED light there, So I just turn this off. You can see that LED light coming on, and that's really it. No creaks coming from them when you twist them like that. And the only thing is they don't fold up, so they're going to be just left like that, and there's no case in the box as you're seeing. But there is a bit of movement laterally there as well, and vertically, horizontally, whichever way you want to say it. And they twist like this here. So plenty of movement in there, and a non-noisy system for extending the arms on both sides, which I like. The only kind of thing is I'd be worried about is this cable hanging loose here in case it got caught on something. And yeah, just keep an eye out for that. But that's it for the moment. Any questions, drop them below. That's the first look at the new SLYR Pro wireless from Skullcandy. So if you're into gaming, this is the latest from the company. Do check them out. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you very soon. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.